Hi guys, I've gone ahead and drawn her in with my acrylic pen. Unfortunately I've done all this and it wasn't recording, but such is life. So what I've done is I've put some very thin layer of white down as my base because I need this to move on, and done some puddle pours. So we'll just continue with that from where we are. So currently I'm just adding a touch of paint. I don't want to overdo it. So I thought we'd just give her an accessory. Oops. Right, now I'm going to just give it one more last drop of black. Actually, I quite like the white on the top, but okay. Let's give it a teeny drop of black. So this is a puddle pour. And my idea is to not get too much paint on in the puddles. Yeah, I might leave those two white at the top. I'm not sure if I should leave it like that or... Yeah, I don't like the way these ones are joining in here. Okay guys, so I think what I'll do now, so I have pre-painted this white underneath her black. So I'll just turn this around and very gently tilt . Just going to add a little bit more red here. And a teeny bit of black. And I'll finish it off with another drop of red. It's a bit off center. Okay. Okay, so my idea is not really to have this separate, but more like that. So I'll just add in a little bit of black just to join it. Get rid of that bit of black there. Right. Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in for you to have a closer look. One more here, just because it looks a little unfinished. Oops, I hand did a little bit of a jit there. So we've got a little bit of a unusual shape. Yes, I like that. Yep, that looks really cool. Yeah, I think I'll be leaving it like that. Here we are. I think this actually looks quite pretty. So I thought I'd try something a little different. You know, instead of doing the normal puddle pour. Well guys, I hope you like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.